Hey everyone, it's Emily Carter. Welcome back to US Stock Stories. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating frontiers in science and investing, AI-driven drug discovery. It's the intersection where artificial intelligence meets biotechnology. And one company is right at the center of it all, XtalPi Holdings. This isn't just another biotech startup. XtalPi is trying to rebuild how we discover and design drugs faster, smarter, and cheaper. So let's unpack what makes this company so unique, why investors are paying attention, and what the risks look like beneath the surface. Let's start with what they actually do. XtalPi uses a powerful mix of artificial intelligence, quantum physics, and robotic automation to design and test new molecules in silico, meaning inside a computer rather than a petri dish. Their goal? To predict which compounds are most likely to succeed before they're ever synthesized in a lab. This approach can save years of trial and error and millions of dollars in research costs, and it's already catching attention from some of the biggest names in pharma. In fact, XtalPi has partnerships with giants like Pfizer, helping them model molecular interactions more accurately. They've also teamed up with DoveTree to co-develop immunology and inflammation therapies, and signed a landmark $6 billion collaboration with DoveTree to apply their AI platform to drug discovery on a massive scale. That's not hype. That's the kind of deal that can redefine a company's future. Oh, and they even made a strategic acquisition of Liverpool Chirochem, giving them a stronger base in chemical synthesis and expanding their footprint in Europe. Now, let's talk numbers, because investors love data as much as scientists love formulas. In the first half of 2025, XtalPi reported over 400% revenue growth and even managed to post a net profit, something rare for an early-stage biotech. Its drug discovery division alone grew by more than 600% year over year. That's an incredible pace, driven by strong licensing and project agreements. However, it's not all smooth sailing. While revenue is growing fast, the company still faces heavy R&D and operational expenses, and its net margins remain deep in the red. So profitability, while improving, isn't fully sustainable yet. The big question for investors is this: can XtalPi turn groundbreaking science into a scalable, profitable business model? Because while the potential upside is enormous, the risks are just as real. Drug discovery is a long and uncertain road. Even with AI, it still takes years, sometimes decades, for a new therapy to reach the market. And every failed trial burns cash, not just optimism. There's also competition. Google DeepMind, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, and In Vitro are all racing toward the same goal, using AI to reshape medicine. So here's how I see it. XtalPi sits at the sweet spot between cutting-edge technology and pharma innovation. If their AI models continue to outperform traditional lab methods, and if these massive partnerships translate into real commercial drugs, the reward potential is huge, but it's not for short-term traders. This is a stock for patient investors who understand that the biotech game runs on breakthroughs, not quarters. If XtalPi can sustain its momentum, reduce costs, and maintain those strategic alliances, we might be witnessing the early chapters of a major transformation in drug development. So, what's your take? Which stock are you thinking about investing in next? Write it in the comments below, and I'll make a detailed analysis just for you in an upcoming video. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you up to date with the latest stock stories. Thanks for watching. I'm Emily Carter, and until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and keep investing smart.